Okay, guys, so you can't really see what's going on, but like it's really dark. We have a really big thunderstorm happening right now. Oh my gosh, I have never seen anything like this in my life. This is crazy. Just look at this. Look at that.
Get far away from any windows you see, okay?
Yes, I know. So yeah, this is absolutely nuts. I mean, we've got heavy rain. We have very high winds happening as of right now, and this is unbelievable. This is weather in Tennessee for y'all. It's insane. Just I can't. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. So yeah, safety procedures. Or safety measures, I should say. So stay away from windows and stay inside. Stay on low ground. Stay on low ground as much as possible, and also just make sure to have like any battery packs or chargers with you for like electronics that you may have. So just keep that in mind when things like this happen. So if this is happening to you, if you have experienced this in real life in your area, you should know the drill. Just stay safe, and happy trails.